The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ko bajam, tak sao point Riewlak. Just wow.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Meghalaya, Conrad ke Sangma, hak arpo arterik unailar aja apan Riew, ulai simbenta hak jengle buram Episcopal Silver Jubilee, jong his beatitude more and more Basilius Cardinal Clemens, Major Archbishop Catholicus, jong Siro Malankaras Catholic Church, but Major Archbishop jong Trivandrum. Lapanlong ia kan kejelang Trivandrum Kerala, hak jengle lang Dr. Joseph Mar Divanesius, Metropolitan jong Kollam Diocese, Malankara Orthodox Syrian Church. Menteri Rangba ke Kerala Vidi Sithasan, Cardinal Philippe Neri Ferro, President jong ke FEBC, Most Reverend Dr. Varghese Chakalakal, President jong ke Kerala Catholic Bishops Council, Kinongilam jong ke Balang Bapher, Menteri ke Sarkar Preng Suresh Gopi, MP jong ke Lok Sabha Shashi Tharoor, ke Lyngba Soblei, ke Riewniam bat ke Pait Rungit. Hagan ke jengelang lawan yang sementalang ru Dao His Beatitude Ignatius Yusuf the Third Yunan Ubadi Patriarch Jong ke Syriac Catholic Church Lebanon. Habakren haga jengelang Conrad Sangma ula kulai yau His Beatitude halor ke arpsan snem ke jisakri jong ukum Riewniam bat ulai ro ru ya ke jeno Synñiang ke bakra ko jong u hakaliang ke puli ke putih ke kot ke khia bat ke jisakri ke baduk hakaleng kari bat sabar jong kari. Conrad Sangma ulai kublai ru ya ke Jylla Kerala Kablano Synñiang Shikatdei Shaka Jylla Meghalaya Daka Bapenpau Babun Kiling Dok Soblei Bat Ki Sister Na ke Jylla Kerala Kentop Yau Auxiliary Bishop CJ Jose Bat Ki Sister Rose Paindapali Kabala Shakri Lapalat Sao Posnem Hak Shnong Bakendong Jong Karilong Garo Bat Ki Bala Eti Laka Jeng Im Ban Shakri Yakipat Ba Nong Shnong Jong Jylla Meghalaya.
Your Beatitude Ignatius Yusuf Yonan, Patriarch of the Syriac Catholic Church, Your Eminence, Cardinal Philippe Neri, President of the FABC, Your Grace, Most Reverend Dr. Varghese Chakalakal, President of the Kerala Catholic Bishops Council, our respected Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala, Shri V.D. Satesanji, who has just left for another program, Honorable Union Minister, Shri Suresh Gopiji, Honorable Minister Shri K. Muralidharanji, my friend Dr. Shashi Tharoorji, Member of Parliament, all the heads of churches and of the faith traditions who are present on the dais, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pride and a very strong sense of happiness to be here on this momentous occasion. I have had the honor and the privilege of knowing Cardinal Clemens for more than a decade. Our friendship, if I may say, started with us together in Vatican when we had gone together for the canonization of Saint Mother Teresa. And it only took a moment, which I'm sure has happened to many of us, to immediately connect with Cardinal Clemens because of his nature, his humility, his way of immediately finding some connection to then create that long-lasting bond that you never forget. Cardinal Clemens also had a friendship with my late father, late P.A. Sangma ji. And it is through those bonds that today, all the way from Meghalaya, from Shillong, I have come here to be part of the 25 years of the Episcopal ministry of His Beatitude, Basilius Cardinal Clemens Catholicos. Your Beatitude, I take this opportunity to once again congratulate you on this very, very momentous occasion. And I pray to Almighty and thank Him for your life, for the contributions that you have made to the Catholic Christian community and others, not just in your state, not just in the region, but throughout the country and throughout the world. I pray to Almighty that He will continue to bless you in the days to come. Friends, my late father, late P.A. Sangma, was a product of the Christian mission. After my grandfather had passed away, when my father was only 7 or 8 years old, it was the Christian missionaries who brought him up, instilled the values of Christianity in him, taught him the different principles, different aspects of not just being a Christian or a Catholic, but of how to be a good human being. And I want to mention that it is through those principles and that upbringing that my late father went through. He was blessed and he achieved what he achieved in his life. It was because of the church. And today I stand here in front of you as a continuous blessing and to continue the work that he had started many, many years back. He always taught us and he always told us that service to man is maybe the greatest thing that anyone can do. Whether you are in religious sector, as a priest, as a sister, or you are a public figure, our goal and objective is the same. We may do it in different ways, but at the end of the day, we are here to serve God's people. We are here to serve the public of our nation. And these are the values of Christianity. These are the values that He has instilled in us. Until today, it is these values that drive how we work and continuously motivate us to serve our people. Matthew chapter 7 verse 12, I think we all know that. The golden rule is what he believed in. So in everything, do to others what you would expect them to do to you. And this principle drives our governance of what we do in our state. And continuously, it motivates us, even in challenging times, to move forward. Friends, today I want to conclude by telling you that in my state of Meghalaya and the Northeast as a whole, before governments came in, it was the Christian missionaries who started to serve our people. Before any department of education could come and give education or open the school, it was our Christian missionaries who opened the school and started providing education. Even before any health department could come in and set up a PHC, CHC or a hospital, it was our Christian missionaries who served our people selflessly. So today, I also would like to remember that and share with you that in the entire Northeast, the church has a very, very important role to play. And in almost every aspect of life, every aspect of even governance, we are working very closely with the church to take things forward. And in this mission, I must share with you that there are many sisters, many fathers from Kerala who are today serving in my state of Meghalaya. And I thank you for that. My auxiliary bishop, Bishop Jose, will be very happy that I'm here in his state. Sister Rose, who has provided livelihood to thousands and thousands of farmers, who has spent more than 40 years of her life in Meghalaya, in remote location in Garo Hills. She will be very happy that we are here today. So once again, I take this opportunity on this momentous occasion to congratulate your Beatitude, Cardinal Clemens, on his 25 years of episcopal ministry. And the contributions, as I said, that you have made, whether it's in education, whether it is in helping the poor, whether it is in the health sector, are uncountable. Once again, I thank God for the blessings of Cardinal Clemens, for his life and for all the work that he is doing. And once again, pray to Almighty that He will give you good health so you can continue to serve the people serve God's people in the way that you've been doing in the last 25 years.
Smart card hayung dorbar. Sechisen, wamastap ke
Is kata baik smart card Synñiang sangka.
Synñiang mereka dari MSIS. Mà
Gak jingir apa saya lah liang sorkar, hantam ya ikut ya sutom.
Ini kena hapsa dari sama. Ada MHIS card ni.
Untuk ambil karakter kata.
Jadi ni kon pi hap ada medika hostel, dah hap lek pi ka registration. Kalau dah pi dengan smart card, dah sampai cok.
Oh dokter dan lah ya.
Yang ni kon pi hap lek operation ni yo.แต่ความกล้ามตัวครับปัญญาในพี่อยากไปสร้างตะก้าฮับไลโอเปอเรชั่นนี้แต่ว่าพี่เอ็มจะสกัดพี่และนี่ก็สมาร์ทการ์ดแต่ก็ทำไปเอาเรื่องพี่
Ri nak bagi mon le yo yo poisa sumar ni kon. Abenda dan eksir yo sumar. Kebelah si bona karo Jylla atau persangkafu ni ya.
Ini kan memang dia smart card.
kan teh. Kau beli bot, mau?